So, Mitesh, as a Gen Z, I can say, favorite young politician, what do you think the strength of your generation is?
Courage. Access to more education. Yes, but definitely courage. We are more courageous than we were a couple of years ago. We are getting stronger day by day. And yes, we are not afraid to say what's on our mind. I feel like that. So I feel, yeah, the new generation, we are stronger in our confidence. Yeah.
You call it courage, and I call it entitlement. I feel like your generation is quite entitled.
I mean, to each to his own, मतलब पहले लोग घबराते थे चीज़ें बोलने से because उनको बहुत चीज़ें पता भी नहीं थी. And अब people have all the access to all the information. Black Lives Matter का movement अमेरिका में चला था, and a lot of people supported all over the country because of internet, because of information access. So yeah, I mean, and a lot of people took a stand for it, by the way. So yes, I feel it's just a difference of opinions, and a lot of people are scared of us. I'll be very honest with you.
Come on, Mitesh. You have to agree that you do have a sense of entitlement as a third generation politician.
Isn't our entire generation entitled? I mean, isn't that what we Gen Zs have been accused of? Come on. I mean, I'm 29. Give me a break here.
Spoiled brat, rich nepo kid, tone deaf, Raja Beta, who has no idea where the real India ever begins. And no, it's not with your driver. These are the terms that have been used for you.
देखिए हम लोग तो बोलेंगे ही. I don't need to listen to everyone, right?
There is that tone deaf again. So all your critiques are just talkers, or are you being deafened?
Listen, okay, so बचपन से ही, I have lived, I have breathed, I've slept politics. My entire generation has been filled with politicians, and politics मेरे
You are not answering the question.
Let me finish.
Mitesh, you are not giving me, you are just giving me the generic answers.
दामिनी, तुम मुझ पे अटैक कर रही हो.
I am asking questions, doing my job. You can defend yourself, can't you?
I am trying to.
You are not trying hard enough. Another much discussed Gen Z quality.
Listen, I want to be here, okay? I deserve to be here.
Deserve? Why?
Because my father, my grandfather...
This is why you are not taken seriously.
Because they kept fucking up year after year, yaar. Because the previous generations, they just didn't care enough. उनके लिए बस ये game था. And I'm the one who actually gives a fuck about this country. Because I've seen this country, I've seen the wealth disparity increase tenfold and no one actually gives a fuck. I mean, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार. Not one politician. Not my father and definitely not his. But I want to fight that chasm. I want to fight that and reduce this disparity. Can't you see that? मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ यार. I have the education, I have the opportunities, I have the resources, but most of all, I have the intent. So can you stop including me in this generational, discussion just because I'm a part of it? And FYI, that's called stereotyping. Okay? Yes, I want you, Damini. I want the youth, I want the public to see me, to really look at me. हमारी generation एक difference ला सकती है. The previous generation, they didn't just care enough. But I want to make a fucking difference, and I will. I will create a difference. Okay? They just have to give me a chance instead of just writing me off for the first fucking 6 months of my term, yaar. Come on.
Fucking wow.